How to change language to default on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it again to default, easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here in the top corner and then click this settings icon, and now scroll until you find, just search for app language and then click on it, and here you will find app language and select default. Here we'll find, select the first one, and that's it. Now I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.